When it comes to tackling everyday tasks or outdoor adventures, having the right tool can make all the difference. The best multi-tools combine versatility, durability, and convenience in one compact design. In this video, we'll explore top picks that can handle everything from small repairs to big jobs. Let's dive into the world of multi-tools and find out which ones stand out in terms of quality and performance. LEATHERMAN Wave Plus. The LEATHERMAN Wave Plus is, without a doubt, one of the best multi-tools available this year. With 18 essential tools packed into a compact and durable design, this tool is an absolute game-changer for anyone who needs a versatile, go-anywhere solution for everyday tasks. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, outdoor adventurer, or someone who simply wants a reliable tool at hand, the Wave Plus delivers. It features a range of high-quality tools, including a saw, spring-action scissors, a ruler, and premium replaceable wire cutters. The addition of replaceable wire cutters is a standout, ensuring that this tool stays in top condition for years to come. The Wave Plus weighs just 8.5 ounces, which makes it perfect for everyday carry, while still packing the power to tackle any job. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Wave Plus is built to last and is backed by Leatherman's impressive 25-year warranty. This level of durability means you can count on the Wave Plus for all your projects, big or small, both at home and in the wild. Despite its rugged construction, it remains incredibly compact and easy to use, making it a must-have in any toolkit. Whether you're fixing something around the house or embarking on an outdoor adventure, the Wave Plus is ready for anything. A definite thumbs up from here for anyone looking for a reliable, long-lasting multi-tool. Leatherman Signal. The Leatherman Signal is the ultimate tool for outdoor enthusiasts, offering exceptional value with its 19-in-1 functionality. Designed with camping, hiking, and survival situations in mind, this multi-tool combines versatility and durability in a compact form. The stainless steel construction ensures that it's built to last, while the included nylon sheath makes it easy to carry during all your adventure. One of the standout features of the Signal is its array of outdoor-focused tools, including a built-in fire starter, a hammer for tent stakes, and a safety whistle for emergencies. The tool also includes essential implements like pliers, wire cutters, a knife, and a saw, making it a comprehensive solution for everyday carry and survival situations. Whether you're setting up camp or fishing, the Signal has you covered. What sets the Signal apart from other multi-tools is its specific focus on outdoor activities. It's not just about having multiple tools. Each one is designed to handle the demands of the outdoors. It's lightweight yet strong, making it easy to pack and perfect for outdoor explorers who need reliability without the extra weight. While it may not feature as many tools as some other multi-tools, the Signal's design makes it ideal for those who prioritize adventure-ready gear. For campers, hikers, and survivalists, the LEATHERMAN Signal is a must-have addition to your kit, providing convenience, preparedness, and peace of mind all in one compact tool. GERBER Dual Force. The GERBER Dual Force multi-tool is a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful tool to handle tough tasks. This multi-tool is engineered with a unique layered construction that provides twice the jaw strength and force compared to regular models, ensuring it can grip and manipulate even the most stubborn fasteners with ease. The adjustable two-position slip-joint jaw and large teeth offer remarkable control, making it perfect for both heavy-duty and delicate tasks. In terms of features, the Dual Force doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a center-axis bit driver, which allows for better torque and easier screw driving. A plain-edge knife blade, fine, coarse file, and a saw further enhance its versatility. Whether you're working on DIY projects, repairs, or need an everyday carry tool, this multi-tool has you covered. The added bit storage ensures that you can carry extra bits for different tasks without needing additional tools. Built from durable stainless steel, the GERBER Dual Force is built to last and withstand years of rigorous use. Weighing only 8.5 ounces, it's compact enough to fit in your pocket or tool belt, but still packs the power of a full-sized tool. For those who need a multi-tool that delivers both strength and precision in a lightweight, portable design, the GERBER Dual Force stands out as a top contender. Whether you're a professional or just someone who enjoys getting things done efficiently, this tool is a must-have. Leatherman Surge. Next up, we have the Leatherman Surge, a heavy-duty 21-in-1 multi-tool that stands out for its impressive design and versatility. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Built with stainless steel, the Surge offers unmatched durability and strength. Capable of handling tough jobs around the house, in the garden, or on the worksite. Whether you're an electrician, plumber, mechanic, or someone who enjoys a good DIY project, the Surge's robust features will make your tasks easier. At 12.8 ounces, this multi-tool strikes the right balance between weight and functionality. With large pliers, long blades, and an impressive array of tools, ranging from a saw and file to screwdrivers and scissors, the Surge can tackle nearly any project. The addition of an interchangeable saw blade allows for both cutting through branches or trimming wood with precision. The center axis bit driver is a highlight, ensuring a secure grip on various bits, providing excellent control and ease for your most intricate work. The Surge doesn't just handle tasks, it excels at them. With its ergonomic design and sturdy construction, it's built to last a lifetime. Backed by a 25-year warranty from Leatherman, this tool is truly a workhorse, ready for any challenge that comes your way. For anyone needing a reliable, heavy-duty tool that combines practicality with quality craftsmanship, the Leatherman Surge is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a multi-tool that will help you get the job done and withstand years of use, this one's definitely worth considering. Leatherman SKELETOOL. The Leatherman SKELETOOL deserves a solid spot on your EDC list, making it one of the top multi-tools in 2025. This lightweight 7-in-1 multi-tool blends sleek design with practicality, offering everything you need in one compact tool. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who enjoys outdoor activities, the SKELETOOL is ready for any task, big or small. What sets the SKELETOOL apart is its slim profile. Weighing just 5 ounces and measuring 4 inches, it fits comfortably in your pocket without weighing you down. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip during use. With the inclusion of a sharp 420HC blade, pliers, wire cutters, and a bottle opener, this multi-tool has you covered for a variety of tasks. What's impressive about the SKELETOOL is its versatility. From tightening screws to cutting open boxes, it's designed to perform well in everyday situations. The 2X bit driver adds flexibility by allowing you to swap out bits for various jobs, making it a great tool for home, garden, and outdoor needs. Despite being minimalist, the SKELETOOL doesn't compromise on utility. The integrated carabiner and bottle opener make it easy to carry and ready for spontaneous outdoor adventures. Plus, the 25-year warranty backs it up, ensuring that this tool will last through countless jobs. In summary, the Leatherman SKELETOOL is the perfect blend of portability, durability, and utility. If you need a reliable, everyday multi-tool, this one delivers premium quality at an affordable price.